Let's speed run building a website with Voyager by Orbiter. What we're going to do is we're going to create a website that just talks about Tact, which was a hackathon project me, Steve, and Marge built for ETH Global. We want the website to have some design that looks very similar to the app loading screen. We want to have this video embedded on the site, and we're going to provide information about the project. So let's start by copying all of the project information. And we're going to go back to Voyager. We're going to say, please create a modern, sleek website that promotes Tact, a mobile app. This is the information about the Tact project. We're going to provide it some additional information here. So we should embed the demo video on the site. And we'll grab the URL for the video. We should also create a design for the site that matches the app's design. I've attached a image for reference. So let's try to grab the image here. Actually, I have the images on my computer, so we'll just go here. I think it's this one. Perfect. And I think that's all the information I'm going to give it. So let's see what it can do. And this is, you could probably notice we're using Claude 3.5 Haiku. I could use Sonnet, I could use 3.7 and get better results probably, but we're just going to use Haiku and see what we can do. You can see I didn't specify the framework, so Voyager chose to use Astro, which is great. In fact, the Orbiter website is built in Astro, so that's cool. Creating the actual logo pattern. All right, so I could tell it to run the project, but I already know how to do that. So we're going to install. And that is the cool thing. If you're not familiar with the command line, you can tell it to just run the preview if it doesn't do it automatically. And here's what we got. Tact connections without compromise. This is pretty cool, but I don't like the font. I don't like the font. Can we use something more modern and fun? Let's see what it does with that. Let's see if it does anything. Oh, maybe it's doing something here. We're using Google Fonts. And once it's done making these changes, the preview should, I believe, automatically update. Cool. So now let's take a look at the preview. It's a little better. I like it. So let's go ahead and deploy it. So up here, I'm already logged into Orbiter. So when I click the deploy button, I can deploy to Orbiter. You'll see it's deploying. It'll only take a few seconds. And in the bottom right, when we're done deploying, you'll see the view site link. So that should come up here in just a moment. There we go. We're going to see that here. This link will take us to the automatically generated subdomain for the new site. And assuming that SSL has propagated, we should be able to see our site. There we go. In 5 minutes, we just created a whole website based on an actual hackathon project that we did over the weekend, all using Voyager without writing a line of code ourselves. Pretty powerful.